Oh, so I'm at the Seoul National Cemetery. It's gorgeous. I came across it while on the bus. Look at how beautiful that is. Gorgeous. I have to go on that side. The sun's over there. Cats. So beautiful. Look at the cherry blossoms. Oh my word, it's gorgeous out here. Yeah, so I came across it on the bus. I had no idea this even existed. But because I had to come a different route, because of where I live, I came across it. Look at this tree right here. It's gorgeous. Oh my word. What a gorgeous, gorgeous tree. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my word. Right here, how beautiful.
기본적으로 아니 기본적으로 그걸 군대 가서 외우는 거야.
Sorry. They're so beautiful. Look at how gorgeous it is. I'm gonna have to come back. Up even more. Okay, I want to know how I get up there. It's gorgeous up there. Oh my word. Man, I need to get up early and go to a bunch of different places. How do these people get up there? My heels were tearing me up. Oh my god. My phone is almost dead too, so might as well just go home. Okay, look right there. How beautiful that looks. Like right there. Oh my word. I gotta take a picture. Look at how beautiful the trees are over there. They're gorgeous. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to go home. My heels are... I already have blisters and they're tearing up. I just need to get up early. Get up early, Dolores, get up early. So beautiful. I have no idea what they're saying. If they're saying they're closing, I wouldn't have a clue. 아이고. It's so beautiful. Oh my word. Oh, these are azaleas. But they're so like sparse that I didn't even realize it till I was like upon them. Yeah, I need to go home because my heels are killing me. I was gonna take a picture of my not a lot of blossoms here. Sometimes I wish I had someone to take a picture of me, but I'm not photogenic anyway, so they'd have to take like a million. How many do you think you'd have to take of me, Jerry? Like 1 million? 2 million? See, they're already turning green. Blossoms are already unblossoming. Hey, I gotta go. My heels are killing me. I don't even have shoes to wear out here. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I literally don't have shoes to wear. Because of my heels and... Oh no.
그리고 여기에 이렇게 하얀 거 없어? 이거는 밀어주면 먹을 수 있다는 거예요?
Look how gorgeous that is. Let me take a picture right here. Look how gorgeous it is. Oh my word. What kind of tree is this? Wow, look at this gorgeous magnolia tree. Beautiful. I don't know what that tree, I'm so tired. What that building is. I don't know where I came up with tree for a building. Oh my word. My heels are killing me. I need to go to Daiso to buy a few things because I can't finish cleaning without buying a few things. So, oh, I like these too. It's a pretty tree. I guess they're closing because everybody's leaving. Which is good because I gotta go anyway. I need to look for my bus stop. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my word.